day with Forever Learning. I had something different planned for today, but this morning I got up and called the cable company to take care of a problem. Just want to have something shipped to me, and when I did, this turns into this whole path where I start looking at my cable bill. This is all on them. I just called to get a remote control sent to me. She was very, very helpful. Anything else I can do for you? I said, no, that was great. Thank you so much. Unless you can get rid of my bill, of course. And she says, well, I can have someone look at it for you. I'm like, nah, it's okay. Don't worry about it. She goes, sure, we can have someone look at it. I said, well, they're not going to lower it. She says, never know. I'm like, all right, 3 times is a charm, right? I'll give it a shot. So over to customer service we went, and lo and behold, we made a difference in my cable bill. I got better service, better package, better speeds for the internet, and lowered my bills. We'll talk about that. And that led to the next bill, which is the phone company. So we're going to talk about that one too. All in all, I'll cut to the chase. I saved about $125 just by making 2 phone calls this morning. So I want to show you what I did. We'll talk about it, and I'll show you a couple of things I found. I guess I'll start out with my cable bill because that's how this actually worked out. So cable bill, ridiculously expensive. $252 for cable, that's what I pay. Isn't that crazy? It used to be the price of a car payment. I remember cable used to be $40 a month when I first got cable. So $252 a month I pay for cable. That's crazy. What do I get for that? Internet speeds, 10 megabytes per second upload, and 100 megabytes, I hope I'm not saying that wrong, 100 megabytes per second download speed. They did increase this to 130 over the last few months. Guess things just got faster, but up to 130 now. So 130 megabytes per second download, but still $252, that's crazy. So I didn't even intend to do this. They kind of led me into it. There's nothing to do with my bill, and the guy's like, well, let's take a look at it. So your plan doesn't exist anymore. It used to be called a double play. They want me to take a triple play. Everybody wants you to bundle into this package. I didn't really want a triple play, but I hear the guy out. So the double play, or the current double play, was pretty much what I paid now with no increase in speed, and maybe save me another $10 a month, something like that. Their triple play, who has a phone anymore? Their triple play, on the other hand, would actually drop me money, increase my speed. Get this, 100 is going to turn into 20 megabytes per second upload speed, 600 downloads, 600 download megabytes per second. Holy cow, right? Again, I hope I'm not saying that wrong, megabytes per second. I'll cut to the chase here. The cable bill was pretty easy. My new bill, after they cut out some service, after they cut out some fees that they were charging me, not service, I actually got more channels, just a few, better speed, and my bill will drop to, here it comes, wait for it, $216 per month, $216 a month. I saved $35.83. I didn't do that in my head, I'm looking over there. $35.83 I saved, and I increased my speed from 10 to 20 upload and 600 download. That's crazy. I was on a conference call yesterday. 2,500 viewers on this. It was a webcast. 2,500 viewers, and I had a couple glitchy moments where the thing froze, everything else. Guess what? Nothing today. Everything worked out just fine. So 600 megabytes download. That is crazy fast. Very, very, very happy with that. So, get done with that phone call. I'm good. He starts talking about Xfinity Mobile. I don't want to do that. I've been with AT&T for 20 plus years. Xfinity Mobile. How much is it? And he says $45 a month. So $45 a month. And that was unlimited data. So you get unlimited text and talk just for having your cable. And I got unlimited data for $45 a month. My bill would have been $47 out the door, right? Wow, that's actually awesome. What's my bill? Ugh. Couldn't even lift it. $154. This is my phone. This is my cell phone. $154 a month. Between these two, I am paying a car payment, $400 a month, right? So $154 a month. I am on the internet. I tell him to go ahead and do it. I'm on the website, cancel my AT&T account. I'm typing everything in. The little chat window pops up. I don't want to talk to them. I'm firing you guys, right? But you know what? I've been there for 20 plus years. Let me at least hear them out. So I start looking at my bill with this person. I tell him what Comcast is offering. They don't have a plan equivalent. He offers me $65 a month for unlimited download. For unlimited data. So $65 a month. That's still more than the $45 I would have had at Comcast. So he doesn't really have me yet, but I also don't want to change my plan and everything else if I don't have to. So we start looking at some more. I get to the people that are going to finally tell me, no, we're this customer retention, service agent, all that kind of stuff. They think they're going to lose you because they were. And he drops another $10 and gets me to $55 a month. Okay, now you're in striking distance. It's $10 a month difference, and I stay with the plan I've already had and don't have to change anything. I'm actually starting to like this. So $55 a month. Keep working it. Looked at my bill a little bit more. Like, how do we get from 65 to 154? Huge difference there, right? So I start going through all this stuff and looking at all these fees. I get the utility fees. I understand all that kind of stuff. I don't have a problem with that. But I start looking at some of the things I'm being charged for. I got Protection Advantage insurance for 4 premium. I said, what does for 4 premium mean? Because you have coverage for 4 devices. Well, I only have 1 device. Why I need coverage for 4 devices? I only have 1 cell phone. You guys bill me for it. Well, you have an iPad on there. That's true, I do. I have an iPad that I keep in my suitcase, and it's probably 10 plus years old. But I'm paying this premium for 1 device. 1 device that's expensive. It is a good cell phone, so I want to cover it. So I changed this from $25.97 down to $9.99 to keep the same coverage, right? Lost, stolen, damaged, broken, all that kind of stuff. Then I say, what's this Protect for fee? Protect for fee. It looks like it says for free. It doesn't. It says for fee. So Protect for fee, right? That covers you in case your cell phone stops functioning properly. Electronically doesn't work, anything like that. So that covers you for that. $14 a month. Combined, this was $40 a month I was paying for insurance. I'm like, well, if my cell phone stops working, I could just step on it, right? And then you cover it that way. Yeah, we would. I was like, well, why would I ever want to pay extra for this? So I cut these 2 out, chopped the whole thing down from 40 to 10. In the end, when I go through everything, my bill drops down from $154 a month to $87 per month, and that includes the insurances that I had before everything else. So $55, taxes, everything else, insurance. I am still more than I would have been through Comcast. This has insurance, this didn't. I am still more than what I had from Comcast. I can eat that a little bit. I don't mind. I've been with AT&T for a long time. I did cancel my order with Comcast. I tell them I might revisit it later, but for now I'm going to stick with my AT&T plan, and I'm glad. In the end, I just fibbed. Excuse me. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. That's correct. So $87 a month is the bill. In the end, between the two, 87 plus 35, I saved almost $125 per month by making 1 phone call. So that's what I did today. Again, $125. That works out to $1,500 a year in savings. You account pre-tax, it's like $2,000 a year, right? So $125 a month I saved just by making a phone call this morning, 2 phone calls. So there you go. That's where you have it. You never know. We are always forever learning.